Okay, this is going to be a real quick lesson on matrix multiplication. If you want something more in depth, you can go to Khan Academy, but this is going to get through everything you need. So it's really, I just want you to have a sense of what's going on. We're not going to have to do it by hand, which is great. So I'm going to multiply y times x, and my question is, can I do that? And the answer is yes, because the interior dimensions match. This is one row times three, not times, one row by three columns. So this matrix, or technically a vector, this matrix has one row and three columns. This one has three columns and one row. Because the threes match, I can multiply it. I couldn't do x times y, but I can do y times x. And the resulting size will just be one number. And so what I can do is equal matrix multiplier this, I gotta get this, comma, this array, close the parenthesis, Control Shift Enter, and there's my answer, 44. Now what went on? What happened was it was 2 times 1 plus 4 times 3 plus 6 times 5, which you can see is 44. So it was this 2 times 1 plus 4 times 3 plus 6 times 5. Now you could not do that the other way around, but if you want to change, if you want to have x times y, you're going to have to transpose x to make it, instead of being a 3 by 1, a 1 by 3. So what you do to transpose x, I know that's going to be 3 cells there, and they're going to be in a row, so equal transpose . Hang on a second, it should be coming up for me right away. Equal, there we go, equal transpose. As soon as I see that, I hit the tab, and I highlight what I want to transpose, close parenthesis, Control Shift Enter, and all transpose does, it moves it from being in a row to a column, or the other way around. I'll do it for y. That will go from a row to a column, so equal transpose, highlight these, close parenthesis, Control Shift Enter. Okay, so let's do a couple more examples here. This is y times x again, but this has 2 columns, so it's a 1 by 3 times a 3 by 2. That's going to work because the 3's match, and the result will be 2 answers, because it'll be a 1 by 2. It'll be 2 cells. So I highlight the 2 cells, do equal matrix mult, and this times this one, close parenthesis, Control Shift Enter, and I have the result is 44 and 108. So the 44 we've already done. The 108 comes from 2 times 6 plus 4 times 9 plus 6 times 10. So 2 times 6 plus 4 times 9 plus 6 times 10. Okay, one more example. This is going to be the 3's match. The 2's match, but that doesn't matter. All that matters is it's going to be a 2 by 2. And matrix multiplication, equal matrix mult. This one times that one, close parenthesis, Control Shift Enter, and what's happened, I have for this 90 is going to be 1 times 4, I'm sorry, 1 times 3 plus 4 times 6 plus 7 times 9. You can see that's 7 times 9 is 63, 66, 24, that makes it 90, right? And then this 108 comes from 2 times, let me put it right here where it should be, 2 times 3 plus 5 times 6 plus 8 times 9. And then this 161 comes from 1 times 11 plus 4 times 13 plus 7 times 14. And then the 199 comes from 2 times 11 plus 5 times 13 plus 8 times 14. So that's what matrix multiplication is and how we do it in Excel. And that's going to matter when we do portfolio management.